Morning students. Yesterday I told you how to find median when frequency distribution table is given to us. Today also we are continuing the same. Let us take this sum. Here class intervals are given, frequency is also given. But see the class intervals very carefully. Here class in the 118 to 126, 127 to 135 means class intervals are not continuous, because how we can say it is ending at 126, then it should be starting should be 126 here, but it is not there, means intervals are not continuous, and we know how to make it continuous. This concept we did in 9th class also, how we can make it continuous. Again I am telling you what is the way. First we will see the upper limit and lower limit of next. See the difference of them. The difference is 1, and we will divide the difference by 2. See what will come? 0.5. This difference we have divided by 2, and now see this result we will subtract from lower limit and we will add to upper limit. See what it will become. If you will subtract 0.5 from 118, it will be 117.5, and this will be 126.5. Then subtract 0.5 here. With these limits we will write only 0.5, 135, 135.5, 144.5, 153.5, 162.5, 171.5, 180.5. So we have added 0.5 in the upper limits, and we have to subtract 0.5 from these. Now if we will subtract, what will come here? 126.5 will come, means this will come here now. Again now this term will come here, 135.5, 144.5 will come here, 153.5 will come here if we will subtract 0.5, 162.5 will come here, 171.5 will come here. Now see, these are the class intervals, and this is the frequency. Now frequency we can write as it is 3, 5, 9, 12, 5, 4, 2. Now this table is set, and now we can find median easily. What is yesterday also I told you what are the steps. First find CF, then n by 2. With n by 2 we will find the median class, then lower limit f, CF, and put the values. Okay. Now let us take one more sum. This you can do easily. Now we are doing question 2 of exercise 14.3. Class intervals are given to us. In this sum, median class intervals are 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. This is given to us. Frequency is also given to us, 5x 20, 15 by 5, and it is also given that the sum of the frequency is 60. One more thing is also given here, median is equal to 28.5. These things are given to us, and the question is find the missing frequency x and y. See, in this table 2 things he is asking. Then in place of 2 things he has given us 2 things. One thing he has told the sum of frequency is 60, and another thing is that he has given median also, and he is asking missing frequency. Up to now table was given to us, and he was asking find median. Now sum of frequency is also given to us, median is also given to us, and we want to find x and y. If as it is the sum of median, the first step is find CF. I told you the first step of median is CF, means cumulative frequency. What is the way to find CF? First frequency as it is, then add next to it, then add 20 plus 5. See, I want to add this 20 plus 5 plus x, means 25 plus x. This we cannot add this, it will remain same. Now 25 plus 5, 15, 40 plus x as it is. Now we will add y. 40 plus x plus y. Now add 5 to this. 45 plus x plus y. I told you always this frequency and this frequency, the sum of frequency and last frequency is always equal. So here also we can say it is given to us sum of frequency 60, means value of this is 60. Value of this is 60. So we can write here 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. Who told you that the value of this is 60? It is given to us because this last entry is always equal to sum of frequency. So what will be x plus y? X plus y will be 60 minus 45, that is x plus y is equal to 50. This will be the first equation. So from here with the help of this 60 we found that the sum of x and y is 15. Now one more equation we will get in terms of x and y with the help of median. Now median is given to us, but we will also find median. As we know, what is the way to find median? First we write n by 2. See what is n here? N is 60. So n by 2 is equal to 60 by 2, that is 30. Up to now, with the help of n by 2 we were searching median class. But here variables are there. We cannot say that where is the 30. It may be anywhere because we don't know the value of x. So how we will find median class? Here median is given to us. Median will tell us that median lives in which street. See 28.5 lies between 20 and 30. Means our median class is 20 to 30. And this will be the frequency. This is the frequency of median class. And this is CF. So as median is 28.5, therefore median class is equal to 20 to 30, because 28.5 lies between 20 and 30. That's why median class is 20 to 30. What is the lower limit? 20. And frequency is 20. CF is 5 plus x. Is it clear? And n by 2 also we are having. Now we will write the formula. I think this table is clear to you. What we want, median class I have written here, F I have written here, CF also I have written here. Now no use of this one, so I am rubbing it because space is less here. Now how we will get another equation? Because median is given to us, we will also find our median. I told you two things are given, one sum of frequency is given, one median is given. With the help of sum of frequency I have found this equation. Now with the help of median I will find second equation. L plus n by 2 minus CF. See, this line is not up to here, no. It is starting from n by 2 into h by f. This L plus is separate. And now put the value. Median is given to us 28.5. L means 20. N by 2 means 30. CF means 5 plus x. And F is also given. F is what? 20. And what is H? Gap is of 10. H is 10 here. H is 10 here. Now I have written every value. How we will solve it? We will not cancel this and this. No. This 20 plus is separate. 0 will cancel with 0. This is a fraction. And now I want to remove this 2. either take LCM or you can write multiplying both sides by 2. Multiplying both sides by 2, because I want to remove 2. First multiply this term by 2. 28 2s are 56. So what will come? 50. If you will multiply 28.5 with 2, see what will come? 57.0, means 57 will come. Point 0 will also be there. You can leave after decimal 0 is neglected. We will multiply every term by 2. If I have, see, I have multiplied this term by 2. Now I will multiply this term also by 2. 40 will come. And when I will multiply this by 2, only this will come. What will come? 30 minus 5 minus x. I have opened the bracket also, and this 2 will be removed. Now open the bracket. This 40 will come this side. 25 minus x. What will come? 17 is equal to 25 minus x. I want to find x here. X I am shifting here. Minus x will become plus x here. And 17 I will bring this side. So what will come? 8. Now value of x I am having, but I want to find value of y also. One equation I was having already. Put x is equal to 8 in first. See, what was the first equation? X plus y is equal to 15. Put the value of x. 8 plus y is equal to 15. Y is equal to 15 minus 8. Y is equal to 7. So this is the answer. These are our missing frequencies. X is equal to 8. Y is equal to 7. Is it clear? Now you can complete your exercise 14.3 very easily. Okay, thank you.